Hi, thank you for stopping by DIY with Audia. Today I'm going to be making a wooden garland with tassel. I'm going to be putting this on this Chista stick only because it's easier for me to paint it with this metallic from Rust-Oleum. And I'm going to also use the white semi-gloss also from Rust-Oleum. And I'm gonna use this yarn for the tassel. So I already went outside, I painted my wooden beads, I painted half and half, and now I'm gonna work on my tassel. I wrapped it like about 45 times. One that was done, I went and I took it out of that piece of wood that you see there. I cut one of the ends, and now I am tying it together, getting it ready so I could put it together with the wooden beads. After that's done, I'm going to give it a haircut, and then I'm going to put it to the side. I also bought these wooden leaves from Dollar Tree. I'm going to give it 2 coats of metallic acrylic paint. So I'll let that dry, and then I also went to the Dollar Tree and I also bought these wooden nuts from the Dollar Tree. I went and I painted half in metallic and half in white. I also took my drill and I drilled a hole through it so it could fit in the garland. It could be part of the garland. And here's another quick peek of the metallic paint that I used. Off camera, I put my wooden garland together. I tied in one corner the leaf and in the other the tassel. I also bought these little stickers from the Dollar Tree. They're transferable. So I'm going to use this one that says Hello Autumn, and I am going to be putting it on the leaf. And by the way, the leaf is made out of wood as well. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. So the order that I put it, those wooden beads, was 3 white, 3 metallic, and a wooden nut. And let's continue to embellish this beautiful leaf. Once I transfer that sticker that says Hello Autumn, I also cut little leaves from those same stickers. And I put them around it, and look at the final look. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm loving it. Give me your opinion and comment. I have these 2 owls that I will be painting with the Rust-Oleum spray paint in gold to suit my taste. And this is a quick peek. I hope you like it just like I do. I found this cloche. It's plastic at the Dollar Tree. I paint the bottom part in gold, and now I'm going to take these 3 pumpkins that I have also from Dollar Tree, and I am going to stack them up and put them inside this cloche, and you'll see the final look. I am loving this. I hope you like it, and if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit that little button. I also, I'm going to take advantage of some more of these stickers. I'm going to go ahead and put it on that cloche. I am loving it. And I found this last year at Dollar General. It was 80%, so I paid 20 cents. I'm going to give it 2 coats of this Waverly chalk paint. Using my hot gun, I am going to help it a little so it could dry faster. And now that it's dry, I'm going to use this little transferable sticker. All these DIYs that I am preparing for you are going to go on the tier tray that I will also be making on this same video. And guys, I am so hoping that you like this. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I would love to hear your comments. And if you guys have not shared this video, please make sure that you share it with your families and friends so they can also enjoy this video. And once this is done, I will show you the final look. And here we are. I added that leaf with that jute twine. And moving on to the next DIY, a quick one. I just took these pumpkins, spray painted with metallic spray paint, and used a little bit of ribbon, and here is the final result. And now to the tier tray. I bought these trays at Dollar Tree. I bought them at the section where the wedding stuff are at. And I also got this pipe trays. I'm gonna paint them in white. And I bought these candle holders at a secondhand store. I bought both of them 50 cents each. I'm gonna be removing that metal piece from the top. I'm gonna remove the sticker. I'm gonna also sand it down a little just to take out all the residue from the candle wax. I'm gonna give it a quick clean up with this rag. And I'm gonna use this semi-gloss white paint from Rust-Oleum that I've been using throughout the video. Now everything is painted. Everything is absolutely dry. So now I can go ahead and start to glue these pieces together. Look at these candle holders, how beautiful they look in white. It just gave it a total new look. I love this color. White is my favorite color. So with the scrap paper that I found at Michael's, I cut it to size to fit inside these trays. And then later on, I'm going to do that to all three trays. I have two different patterns. Once that was done, what I did was I took the candlestick holder and I traced around it. Once that is traced, I'm going to go ahead with my finger blade. I'm going to trace around it just to cut that piece out of the center. Only because I'm going to be gluing in that candlestick holder inside, and I wanted to glue it into the tray instead of that scrap paper, otherwise it will not hold. So there go the Mod Podge. I'm going to give it a really good, just spread it all over, put that scrap paper in. I'm also going to use more Mod Podge just to seal that inside. And now that it's completely dry and glued in, I'm going to go ahead and start gluing the other pieces together. And then we can go ahead and proceed to start putting all the DIYs that I just finished doing. And let me know in the comments section what you think about the final look. And now that all three trays are together, this is my final look. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, again, make sure to subscribe, give me a little thumbs up, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Adios.